Hey guys, how's it going? It's Amanda. I picked up the Canon EOS R at launch, so I've had it now over 6 months, and I really wanted to share with you all the things that I've learned to love about this camera. I want to try to keep this short and sweet, so if you'd like to see the things that I don't love about this camera, leave a comment down below. Let's go ahead and just get this one out of the way, that Flippy Screen. I've had the 70D, the Canon 80D, then the 5D Mark IV, and I hated the Mark D4 just because it didn't have that Flippy Screen. Now that I have this camera, this has become my full-time YouTube camera, so any of the videos you've seen recently have been recorded on this, but not only does it have great video quality, the photos that come out of this are just amazing. Here's a few photos that I took of my daughter, and I'm very happy with the overall look of the photos and video both. Okay, next is focus assist. So whenever you're using a manual lens or just manually focusing or even a vintage lens, you will have this turned on and you will see this square here. You place it where you want the focus to be, and as you turn it, those little triangles line up and then it turns green to let you know it is in focus, and I absolutely love using this. Next up is eye detection autofocus, which came with the latest update. I don't have anybody here to use, so I'm just using my photo on my computer, and you can see I'm trying to just confuse it and move around, and it's not losing detection of the eyes. It's doing a very good job keeping in focus, and it works great when you're shooting in autofocus. Next up is something that I am going to have to learn to make use of, but it has the ability to record Canon log in 8-bit internally or 10-bit if you have an external recorder, which I do, but I'm going to be real honest, as of right now, I have not taken the time to learn how to color grade video due to the fact that I'm doing YouTube and I just want it to be a simple, quick process. But that brings us to today's video sponsor, Skillshare. Like I said, I don't have the ability to fully color correct a whole video in a timely manner. I can do some basics, but if I wanted to learn the in-depth processes, I could head over to Skillshare's online training platform and I can learn some new skills. Maybe you're not into video editing, no problem. There's drawing courses, there's business and IT courses, cooking courses, gaming courses. There's so many things, and this is not your boring high school lecture classes. This is learning how to vlog directly from someone like Sarah Dici, people who you know and trust and see their stuff and you see that it works. And to me, that is so much better than just some long, boring lecture. If you guys would like to check it out for free, I will have a link down below that gives you a 2-month premium pass. Also, a huge thanks to them for sponsoring today's video. Next up is about the charging and batteries of this camera. So they used USB-C, which allows me to use an external battery like the one I have here. I've tested all the ones I have. There's only certain ones that work, so I will link this one down below. Also, if you have cameras that used LPE6N or LPE6 batteries, they will also work with this camera. Now, if you want to be able to use the charging function through USB-C, they do have to be the LPE6N, but the LPE6 batteries will still power your camera, so many of you like me may have a bunch of these batteries on hand. Another thing I really enjoy is the small form factor. Now, this is a mirrorless camera, which mirrorless cameras have gotten smaller than the past DSLRs since they're removing that mirror. I have the 24-70 here in front of it, and there's a little distortion going on just due to the angles and everything, but this lens is longer than the width of the camera. If you just pushed them all together and we're right here looking at it, you can see that this lens is actually a little bit longer. But the good news is they have maintained one of the best grips on any camera. If you've watched many videos on this camera, many talk about how the grip feels so good. When I picked up one of the Sonys, all my fingers didn't even fit on it, but this one everything fits and it's just a nice feel in the hand, so very good job on keeping that grip size as well. This really isn't about the camera, but sort of, kind of. It's about the whole system that they've created, but this is the 35mm f1.8 macro IS STM lens, so it has image stabilization, and here you can see it right next to the 10-18, and this is a super lightweight, super small lens. Now, it doesn't require the adapter, but here's what the 10-18 looks like if you have the adapter on it and wanted to use it on the camera. Even though that's a lightweight lens, it starts to get long and big and bulky again. This also has the adjustable control ring right here, and everything about this lens makes it a great travel kit. Now, speaking of travel kit, I use the 5-liter sling from Peak Design, and I'm kind of going on about the size here, but I just want to go ahead and show you how this all works. So I have the R with the 35mm lens attached, and you still have plenty of room here for a big lens. This is 24-70 2.8, which is a huge lens. I have my SD card pack here, sticking my iPhone XS Max in there, even have the adapter, and That just packs down really nice in this very small package, even through my keys in there, my AirPods. You still even have some room for some other things if you really wanted, but I don't want to beat a dead horse, but again, the size factor is really nice. All in all, I really love this camera. I'm very happy that I chose to pick it up. One key point that you should know now is right now they have it for $500 less than what it was when I got it. Hurts a little bit, but hey, I'm still happy with it even at the price I paid. But if you guys want to pick it up, I will have a link down below. You can definitely get some better prices than I did, and I think they also even throw in the adapter, which I had to pay $100 for. So guys, leave a comment down below letting me know what you think about this EOS R, and if you have any questions or if you'd like to see the things I don't like about it, please let me know. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.